Hi beautiful people, this is the hairstyle you guys will be seeing. This is passion twist hairstyle and I'll be achieving it with darling passion twist. Is 30 inches and is color 30. I'll be using 2 packs to achieve this lovely passion twist. Welcome back my beautiful people. I also be needing this crochet pin and my hair wax. Also need this take comb just to brush the hair to make it more fluffy. And let's get into the tutorial. First thing, you achieve the hairstyle on a clean hair. After that, you go ahead and you apply your hair cream just to moisturize the scalp. So guys, after that you begin to pattern the hair. As you can see what I'm actually doing here, so I'm using box braid method to achieve this lovely passion twist. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you 2 different way of doing this passion twist. Just keep watching, do not skip. Please also watch ads. That's the only way you appreciate your girl, guys. So first thing, you braid the hair. Like after parting it, you braid it down, then you begin to attach your passion twist. Can you see what I'm doing here, guys? So I will show you how I arrived to this part. Can you see? So now first thing, you separate the passion twist, as in you unravel it, you section it into 2. After that, you take your crochet pin, you use it to pass the passion twist. Can you see? Just watch carefully. You guys will understand what I'm doing. Can you see? Just pay attention, do not skip. Watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any single step of doing this lovely passion twist. Can you see, guys? So I'm using just 1 passion twist, just 1 for 1 strand of the hair. Can you see now? So this is the first method. After passing it with your crochet pin, you apply your hair wax just to blend the natural hair together. Then you twist it from the root. Can you see, guys? You twist it from the beginning. So depend on the texture of your client's hair. Some people, you can't twist from the roots, just to make sure the hair doesn't get rough on time. And some people, the kind of their texture of their hair, when you start it from the roots, everything will come out well. So that's why I'm showing you the 2 method of doing this lovely passion twist. So in this video is 2-in-1 tutorial. Can you see? This is the second method. Like after you use your crochet pin to pass the passion twist in, can you see? Just watch carefully and you guys will understand what I'm actually explaining to you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Also turn your notification if you haven't and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and join the family. Can you see? Can you see? You braid it. Like this is the second method. You braid it halfway. After braiding it, then you begin to twist the hair. So I think twisting it from the roots doesn't last like braiding it, but it depends the person's hair texture. So I love using both method. I just want to show you guys, in case you don't know how to use this method, you'll be able to use the other method. So I found it lovely using both method. Can you see, guys? So you now divide the natural hair into 2 as well. Then you apply your hair wax just to smoothen it together. Then you begin to twist it. So when you're trying to twist it, don't make it too tight. You just tight it a little bit while you are starting it. So when you get to where your client's natural hair stop, then you begin to loosen your hand. So you don't make it too tight so that the passion twist will come out well and it will be more natural. Can you see how coily it is? So that's how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle passion twist. Can you see? Just pay attention and watch from the beginning to the end. And if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to upload your request. Can you see, guys? That's how I keep going with this lovely hairstyle. So guys, when I get to a point, I'll need to do the remaining hair off camera. So guys, just pay attention and see what I'm doing right here. Can you see? So you braid it halfway, and if you wish you can use the twisting method from the roots, but this particular one I'm using both method. Sorry guys, I'm using both method. Can you see? So after braiding it, you divide the natural hair into two, then you apply your hair wax and you begin to twist the hair. Can you see? So you begin to twist the hair. Can you see? So guys, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this lovely tutorial, and if the video is helpful, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So guys, that's how I keep going with this lovely passion twist. Can you see, guys? Using box braid method. Yeah, so when you are done with this lovely passion twist, you go ahead and you trim the tips just to make it more natural. Can you see, guys? Can you see how beautiful the passion twist is coming out? So these are the one I've done so far. Can you see, guys? So I'll be doing the remaining one off camera. Please, I'm so sorry guys. And now this is the final look of the passion twist. After when you are done braiding it, you trim the tips and then you apply your hair mousse. That's all about this lovely tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy watching. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers, for always tuning into the channel, and for my new subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you here. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. If you love this hairstyle, let me know. Thank you. I love you all. Bye bye.